Nandito po tayo ngayon sa San Jose Residencias, located in Barangay Balibago, Santa Rosa, Laguna, near Enchanted Kingdom lang po ito, guys. So, condominium po ito na RFO. At guys, the promo is no down payment at pwede ka na makalipat agad as long as kumpleto po ang mga requirements nyo. Ang reservation dito, guys, is only 10,000 pesos. So, guys, let's see inside yung available na unit po na 30 SQM. Ito po yung sa El Montalvo na building. Meron pong 30 SQM. So, let's go inside, guys. So, ito yung room 515. Ayan, ang 515. Okay? So, ito yung kanyang loob. Ayan. Ito yung toilet and bath. Okay. Ayan, guys. At naka-ready na po ang mga kable dito sa mga internet. So, ito yun, guys. Ayan, 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 ayan. So, provision po ito sa 2 bedrooms at pwede niyo pong ipa-staycation dahil malapit lang po ito sa Enchanted Kingdom. So, ayan. Walking distance lang po, guys. So, dito sa room 515, ito po, makikita nyo, sliding door po. Makikita nyo po ang expressway, ang swimming pool. Okay? So, ito po yung balcony niya. Ayan po. So, guys, napakagandang location to invest. At saka, makikita nyo po, guys, meron pa pong itatayo dito is soon to rise yung La Linea. So, as of now, wala pa pong construction because holiday and eto, guys, napakaganda. So, look. Ayan. So, sa mga interested buyers, you can easily contact my number now. Paunahan po ito, guys. Of course, dahil ito yung under promo pa this time, so kailangan lang po ang complete requirements. Ayan, so ito, ready na po. May sprinkler. Tama ba ito, Sir Bulan? Ang sprinkler, ready na po ito, guys. Lilipatan mo na lang. O, diba, Sir Bulan? Si Sir is ang ating OIC po ng security. Hi, thank you for accommodating.
Safety ka rito, safety. Kung sino po pa rito, walang magulo rito, walang maingay. Safety ka rito.
Yes, malapit po sa lahat ng establishment. Andiyan po ang Walter Mart, ang Santa Rosa Medical Center, lahat ng hospital. Enchanted, guys. So, hurry now. Napakaganda. SM. So, Expressway. Napakaganda, guys. So, malinis po. Sarili mo na lang. Or yung ipa-staycation mo dito for the long weekend, this coming holiday season. So, ito, guys, ang room 515. So, ito yung hallway po niya. Dito yung exit. Ayan. So, another one. Meron pa po tayong open. Ang room 514. So, ito, guys, is El Montalvo building. 30 SQM din po, guys. Ayan. Ayan. Napakalamig. Napaka-presko po dito sa room 514. At ito naman po ang magiging viewing mo pag dito ka po sa El Montalvo 514 na room. So, ayan. Ayan, guys.
Ito dapat.
So, ito, laundry. Ayan, pwede ka dyan. Yung sink. So, everything is complete. Maliban na lang sa reservation mo na 10,000 at saka complete requirements, guys. Okay, once again, guys, hurry now. This is still in promo. Inuulit ko po, no down payment. It's only 10,000 reservation fee. So, guys, call my number now, 097730599172. My FB page, Mel Real Estate Service, and to my personal FB account, Mel Almenaza. So, guys, let's make your dream becomes reality here in San Jose Residencias, located in Barangay Balibago, Santa Rosa, Laguna, near Enchanted Kingdom. Okay guys, thank you for watching and God bless.